Why isn't my credit score the same everywhere? Clearscore versus Equifax explained. Ever applied for a loan or a new phone plan only to be surprised by your credit score? You check one website and it's sparkling, another and suddenly you're a financial risk? What gives? Context. There are actually a bunch of different credit bureaus out there, each with their own way of calculating your credit score. Today, we're diving into the two big players in Nigeria, Clearscore and Equifax. We'll break down what makes them tick and why your score might differ between them. Understanding credit bureaus. Let's take a step back. Credit bureaus are basically data companies that track your borrowing history. They collect information from banks, lenders, and other institutions you've done business with. This info gets compiled into a credit report, which includes things like your payment history, credit utilization, how much credit you're using compared to your limit, the types of credit you have, loans, mortgages, credit cards, and even inquiries made about your credit when you apply for new things. The credit score, a snapshot, not your entire story. Now, the credit score is a simplified way of summarizing all that info in a single number. It's kind of like a grade on your financial responsibility. A high score tells lenders you're a reliable borrower, likely to repay your debts on time. This translates to better interest rates and loan approvals. Conversely, a low score might mean higher interest rates or even loan rejections. Clearscore versus Equifax, the breakdown. Alright, so here's where things get interesting. Clearscore and Equifax use similar data, but they might weigh factors differently in their scoring models. This can lead to slight variations in your credit score between the two. Here's a quick rundown. Clearscore, known for being free and user-friendly. They might place more emphasis on recent credit activity and your ability to manage different credit types, credit cards, loans, etc. Equifax, often used by lenders themselves. They might take a more historical approach, looking further back at your credit report and inquiries. Why does this matter? So, why should you care about these differences? Well, it's important to be aware of both scores. The lender you apply to might use Equifax, so having a good score there is crucial. But Clearscore can be a great tool to monitor your progress and identify areas for improvement. Beyond the score, taking charge of your credit. Remember, your credit score is just one piece of the puzzle. Here are some tips for building and maintaining a healthy credit history. Pay your bills on time. This is the biggest factor influencing your score. Keep your credit card utilization low. Aim to use less than 30% of your credit limit. Don't apply for too much credit at once. Multiple inquiries can ding your score. Check your credit reports regularly. Look for errors and dispute them if necessary. Clearscore versus Equifax, the final verdict. Clearscore and Equifax might give you slightly different credit scores, but they're both valuable tools. Use Clearscore to monitor your progress and Equifax to stay prepared for lender checks. By understanding your credit and taking control of your financial habits, you can unlock a world of better financial opportunities. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more personal finance hacks. If you have any questions about credit scores or credit bureaus, leave a comment below and let's chat. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.